Hey everybody, this is Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I wanted to quickly document a journal that I'm taking out in just a few minutes. This journal is for someone who is retiring and they really love New Orleans style music. And that was supposed to be part of the imagery or theme. And I bought a digital kit to work with this one from Amy Joy Studios, and it is just awesome. The most beautiful images. This was some scrapbook paper, and she says on the site you can use it for small business use or personal use. I'm just so appreciative that she had this set of images ready to go. It would have taken me forever. So I pulled pages from the music book that I have about the history of music, beautiful scrapbook paper, images from Amy Joy Studios. I've got the map that shows New Orleans. There's a lot of color in this one, and some of the trim came from Sheila Gingrich at Boho Daydreams. I was so glad that I had that on hand as well. I also took some images of famous New Orleans musicians and just scattered them throughout the journal. Here is a vintage brochure about a Creole sort of French Quarter drink. The purpose of this book is to recall the rich glories of the past, and in so doing to trace the history of the legendary Herb Saint, French in name, French in origin, and French and its sophisticated appeal. So there's a little vintage piece of ephemera in there. Love the images again. There's a lot of staining. There's some gesso. There's just a lot of color in this journal, a lot of different colors of paint, anything that related to costume, like the little bird dressed up. And I did leave some blank white spaces for people to be able to write notes to her. Again, more music imagery and different colors of staining, more musicians, and places to write. I just think it turned out really pretty, and it's because of the paper, the ephemera, the digital kit from Amy Joy Studios, the trim from Boho Daydreams, and then here's the center, and we've got some beads on the ties in the center of the book, and these can stay on the outside or kind of hang down at the bottom of the journal. Just more beautiful images. Little elephant there. Harry Connick Jr. I do like him. Bright, beautiful images. That's from Amy Joy Studios. And the cotton plant is one that was very prevalent in the southern economy and history. A lot of good and bad history associated with that plant. And I believe they had cotton markets in Louisiana. There is a beautiful piece from Sheila. And clarinet there. Here is a little guitar charm. I've got a couple of those put up. Karen, I think you sent me a guitar charm. I've got two, so I'm not sure which one is which. I think I'm right. I think you sent me one, and thank you so much. I love this. La Belle Creole Whiskey. And more just space to write. She can put her own memories in here. The journal's got plenty of room for that. And there's the Gulf of Mexico. Just beautiful images. And then here we have one of the prong fasteners, another old image, Louisiana Cycling Club. And then, so this card doesn't fit the theme, but apparently she is into unicorns, and that has been part of something she's been working on. So I was asked to fit that in somehow, and I decided to just put something right there in the pocket, and my card is in there. Little charm that says made with love, and another pretty charm, and then on the back I have my stamp, and it's all tied up with this really pretty scarf. I might have tied that a little too tight. That's a scarf that I purchased recently in a sort of a bag sale situation, but I knew it would be beautiful with the journals. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.